Hello everyone, my name is Pascal Spichiger from Leica Geosystems. In this video, I want to introduce a brand new and truly powerful functionality. Earlier, I mentioned that the TS20 is equipped with an NPU chip. NPU stands for Neural Processing Unit. This chip is designed to handle huge amounts of data in neural networks, quickly, efficiently, and directly inside the total station. Now you might ask, where does AI meet surveying? From my own experience as a surveyor, I know how easy it is to get distracted and forget to switch to prism type. A small mistake, but one that can cost you a lot of time and money. And this is exactly where the TS20 steps in. Thanks to the new AI detect functionality, it automatically detects the prism type for each measured point, checks if it matches your settings, and immediately alerts you if there is a mismatch. That way, you can correct the mistake before it even happens. But that's not all. Because the NPU chip is already built in, we can continue to develop entirely new features as surveyors' needs evolve, and simply bring them to your TS20 through software updates. Altogether, this makes the TS20 the right total station for today and the one that will grow with you into the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.